Alright, we finally got snow. Just started now and it's huge. Probably the biggest snowflakes I've ever seen. This is the bedroom. It's a bathroom. It's the lounge. Kitchen. And then we've got a nice coffee machine. And that's the view when you're cooking. Oh, it's really going now. The dining area, and then lounge, nice big TV, and then the kids' room. And there you can see the snow better there. Oof. Oh, I've got the fireplace going. And then it's got a really nice view of the forts. Can't see it right now because it's cloudy, but over there's a big, huge mountain. Yeah, it's beautiful.